Good morning, people. I'm really tired. Hola, chiquis. ¿Qué tal? Come for a day with me. We're going to Antwerp. Whoa! I can't wait. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, so right now it's like 11. I hate myself. I stayed in my bed for like hours. It's 11. So I need to take my shower, get dressed, eat, meet up with Olivia here, and then we're gonna leave for the train. I dyed my hair black again because it was green, it was gross. I try to not wash it as often. Like right now I'm washing it every 2 to 3 days. So right now I'll be using a mask after my shower. I'm gonna use that mask on my hair. I have to let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes and then we're good. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just need to massage it into my hair. It smells like coconut. I don't know why it sells mango. I get the joke, it's like let that man go, mango, but it smells like coconut, not at all as mango. So I'm really just confused. I'm just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Actually 4. There goes. While I wait, I will keep on listening to my audiobook, which is The Trials of Apollo, The Dark Prophecy. And I'll brush my teeth.
I've waited a long time, Father. Please, my son. I clasp my hands.
Yesterday, I worked with me out, so hopefully it'll happen today or tomorrow. If it doesn't, I'm medically.
But first, I haven't had coffee yet.
Jamais eu de fente.
From the East Coast, I heard that it's cold.
Achieving perfection.
Yeah, I know a place in Los Angeles, girl, we should go there. Sitting on the pier, drink a couple beers, yeah, swear I never thought like this. Yeah, let me be your Mick Jagger, your Hollywood A-list. I think I saw you driving on Wilshire. Now I wanna make you mine. Baby, in the city of angels, you're the only one that shines.
Joyeux anniversaire!
Du coup, vas-y, donc réexplique-moi, vous avez fini deuxième aujourd'hui.
Ouais, c'est trop cool, genre franchement, on est venu à ce concours en mode YOLO vraiment. C'est pas, ils nous disent oui venez, il faut aller chez Sophie. C'est qui Sophie?
Attends, d'accord. Déjà,
qu'on le dise. On a gagné 50 euros. Voilà. Donc dans le truc, on est content. 50 euros, c'est sympa. On est satisfait, chouette. Après, on nous dit, allez chez Sophie. C'est qui Sophie? On va chez Sophie. Elle nous dit, les gars, venez. Elle sort des enveloppes comme ça. Elle dit, tenez des tickets pour aller voir BTS à Busan. Pardon? Genre c'est le 15 octobre, c'est-à-dire que nous sommes le 1er octobre. C'est-à-dire, s'il vous plaît, payez-moi un ticket pour aller à Busan. Il fallait une chose dans la j'en ai déjà pris, je connais. Halloween comes first. Going back home. We went back home early because we were not in the mood. Yeah, so we're watching Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief.
That's the name in English.
Yes. You have here two really huge fans of Percy Jackson's, but I really like the movies.
I watched it some times ago. I don't remember that I liked it. But yeah, I'm gonna try again, I guess.
She's gonna be so disappointed.
I know, but
like really disappointed.
This is why I want to watch it by myself. Like I need to talk with someone about it, I think.
Because they're so disappointing compared to the books, but because I've watched the movies first, I actually really enjoy them. Even now that I've read the books, I still really enjoy them so much. But that looks like the start of Harry Potter for some reason. It looks like for Private Drive. Oh, that's Poseidon going back to his human form, and he's gonna meet up with Zeus. So yeah, we're gonna put on cheat mask and we're gonna watch this. Yeah.
Being honest, yeah. Let's go get lost in the city, girl. It's not a problem. Sitting on the pier, drink a couple beers.
So today we went to IKEA and I bought 2 new pillows to replace mine because they're too... I've had them for like 5 years probably, and you're not supposed to keep pillows for 5 years. You have to change it every like a year or so, so yeah. Anywho, so I have this to switch pillows. I bought this little thing to cook. It's easier, it's smaller. Mine is way too big, so this one is smaller. To like cook like Korean barbecues or like meat or whatever. And I bought this, which is, I don't know how to call that. What is this? It's a drawer, but like it's this one actually. I have 3 of them that I brought from Lille, but I need one more. I needed one more to put all of these stuff. This is like my workout gear, and it doesn't fit in these drawers that I have. Those are real drawers that are from the bed, because on this side, on this drawer, I have like games and things like that. So yeah, I need one more. So we went to IKEA to get that and 2 more pillows, and I'm gonna switch them now. All of this is because Olivia came to sleep over. She slept over yesterday, as you could see. And so yeah, I need to clean all of that and change my sheets. We're gonna do that now. I only have 2 chapters left, so let's finish The Dark Prophecy.
Now I wanna make you mine. 'Cause baby, in the city of angels, you're the only one that shines.
Fresh sheets. Woo! Oh my god! It was amazing! The end of that book. Wait. It's amazing. The last line of The Trials of Apollo Dark Prophecy is like so reminiscing of like the early Percy Jackson and the Olympians. I could cry. It was amazing. I think I just finished the book, so I'm gonna start the 3rd one. But let me just put it on my Goodreads. Currently reading, done. And now, Audible. Okay, so here are the 4 boxes. Here is like sweaters, those types of sweaters that I always wear while I'm sleeping or working out. These are tights that I always need because I'm always wearing skirts usually. These are, what are these? Oh, workout gear. And this, I have no idea. What is this? Oh, bags, scarves, and other like winter clothes like gloves and like hats or whatnot. So yeah, those are the ones, and just above them, BTS. Also, this is my outfit. I changed a bit. I'm wearing these over my white shirt, little vest, and I'm wearing jeans that are a little bit like flare, not skinny. So yeah, that's my outfit today. That episode was amazing. Oh my god. Can't wait for next week, honestly. Ah, j'ai encore oublié de changer de... That was terrible. I suck with that weapon. Oh, I really suck. Let me see the stats. Yeah, I'm 3rd. Yeah, I don't like that weapon, I have to say. It's not bad, but it's not good either. I prefer the other one. This is bad. I finally reached level 10. Oh my god, yes. Finally. Took me so long.